In this video, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on Microsoft Edge so you can work with two pages side by side without constantly switching tabs. This is a super useful feature if you're comparing information, taking notes, watching a video while reading, or simply trying to stay more productive while browsing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer and make sure you already have the page you want to use open. Now, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Edge keeps a lot of its extra tools and settings. Once the menu opens, look for the split screen option and click it. As soon as you select it, Microsoft Edge will divide your browser window into two sections. From there, you'll be asked to choose the second window or page that you want to use in split screen. Select the page you want, and Edge will place it side by side with the first one. And that's really all there is to it. You can now view both windows at the same time, making it much easier to compare content, copy information, or multitask more efficiently. If you want to adjust your workflow, you can keep one page for reading and the other for writing, or use one side for research and the other side for action. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time during everyday browsing. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Edge tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.